Hello and welcome back to Stock Markets with KR with UR, and today I'm going to share with you something very interesting. Today's discussion relates to the last week's Thursday expiry special, and that was on 21st of October 2021. The index used was Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty काफ़ी सारी अच्छी मूवमेंट कर चुका है तभी अभी तो ये बात हिस्ट्री हो चुकी है. But let me show you what happened on Thursday and where I was. So I was over here. Bank Nifty was trading around between 525 and 545, and I went long on 39,400 call. I was not sure कि 500 का call लूँ कि नहीं, because sometimes these ATM calls get simply evaporate, and if Bank Nifty doesn't move or goes down by 50 to 100 points. So I played safe. 39,400 call liya at 242. The index started moving up, and all the details I have written here. So you can pause the video and you can read this, or you can access the link which is given in the as the pinned comment. And the options started moving from 242 to 260 to 282, but the movements were very wild, and immediately it started falling. And by the time I could decide what to do, my stop loss was hit at 185. At that time, I had no idea, no time rather, to look where which level Bank Nifty was, but possibly it would have been around 485 or 500. But then, in the meantime, Nifty had given some good signal, and I entered the Nifty call, 18,000 call, because again, expiry. So instead of 18,100, I chose 18,000 call in the money, and that decision proved to be good because Nifty made a good recovery, smart recovery, sharp recovery. But thanks to Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty ने जो धमाका मचाया थर्सडे को, वैसा धमाका काफ़ी वीक्स महीने के बाद मैंने देखा है. And why I am interested, because I actually was looking at Bank Nifty around the same time when it came back to 39 550 565 545 के बीच में ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था with wild swings. And I looked at the option. I had exited at 185. The option was again at 185. So this means that there was a decay in the option already, and that 39 400 option, which was at 242, I was getting at 185, ideal price 145. So obviously जो हवा में जो उड़ रहा था premium, that was evident. So I looked at the low of the option and it was 87. Thank God I had exited at 185, नहीं तो और 100 रुपया नीचे जाता था. And at 185, I said, Chalo, now I know it has come back 100 points, means it is unlikely, the probability may not be that high of it going down again. Possibly a short covering or a spike may come in one of the scripts. And I opened the window, 39,400. I placed the order, and I was so convinced, friends, कि मैंने सीधा 4 लॉट की एंट्री मार दी, 100 शेयर्स, जो मेरी पोजीशन से, नॉर्मल पोजीशन से 4 गुना है. आई ट्रेड ओनली 1 लॉट. आई डोंट वेंचर विद मोर देन 1 लॉट, और एट द मैक्स 2 लॉट्स. बट थर्सडे को somehow I had the conviction that चलो आज कुछ हो जाएगा अच्छा सा, निकल पड़ेंगे बाहर. And I entered it, but the last minute I entered the quantity, I entered the price, but then I cancelled the order because Nifty had started giving some gains, and I thought, ठीक है, better be satisfied and content with whatever I'm getting and not to be greedy. So I kept it aside. And then what happened is, you know what happened. Kotak Bank rocketed and Bank Nifty rocketed. That 39,400 का कॉल मैंने थोड़ी देर के बाद देखा तो पहुंच चुका था 500 के पर. फिर 550, फिर 600, and then it made a high. I think it ended the day at 632. Whew, 632. And if only I had held on to that trade, which actually I would have, क्योंकि मैंने निफ्टी का तो ऑप्शन पकड़ के रखा था टिल 329. तो मैंने बैंक निफ्टी का भी लॉजिकली आई वुड हैव हेल्ड ऑन टू द सेम ऑप्शन, एंड इफ आई हैड डन सो आई वुड हैव एटलीस्ट गेन्ड 400 पॉइंट्स. एंड सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स है फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में, 100 इंटू 400 आप कर लीजिए. मेरा एक लैपटॉप शायद निकल जाता था वही दिन. बट दैट इज, निकल जाता था और निकल गया है, उसके बीच में बहुत ही डिस्टेंस है. इट इज एज बिग अ डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द कप full of masala chai and the lip, right? So this is my story. A few of my readers, followers had requested कि आपने बैंक निफ्टी का ये मूव क्यों कवर नहीं किया. तो मैंने बोला भाई रुके बने रहिए, I will come up with a video, and that video will explain to you what sometimes some powerful actions can do. So this is a very simple chart I have displayed here, and you have to just read this chart and it is telling you some story. Now I have also told you the story. Look at this breakout and see the power. There is a follow-up also action thereafter. So that is it for now, friends. अभी देखते हैं बैंक निफ्टी क्या ऐसे मूव देगा आने वाले समय में. I don't know, and if anybody knows, please let me know, because then I would like to read your articles and thoughts as to how you are able to predict this gyan. Okay, with this note, happy trading in the last week of October 2021, and see you in the next episode.